Okay. So, hello everyone. Hello, my warm welcome to everyone. On this session, I'm going to tell about today's activity that is debate. And first of all, I want to show some slide so that you can get motivation from the slide and you can get some knowledge. So here are written that speakers are not born, they are made. So we know the meaning of this. If you will practice every day, you will get to know this. What is debate? Debate is a more formal way of communicating, and we can consider it. Debate is a method of interactive and representation argument. So, in other words, debate is a series of lecture for and against on a given topic by knowledgeable person. A debate is a contest where two teams present their argument and they are persuading one another. Okay. Uh, so my next slide will tell. Yes, rules of the debate. So there are some certain rules we have to go through it. Debate has two teams. Like one has to speak in affirmative and in another has to speak on negative point. So these are the written here, and we can have a structure. We can have a structural look on this slide. Like debate is set up as shown in the diagram. One would be affirmative team, and second would be negative team. Okay, there is a moderator or speaker. This is speaker area, and whatever you will tell, you will speak in that session. In this activity, audience will listen and they will judge you. There are some manners like what makes a debate. First one, what you say matter. What you say it manner. How you say, sorry, how you say it. We will consider about the manner. How you structure it, method. Okay, so there are manners, method, and matters. Manner, we will see your confidence level, voice, and gesture and stance. And in method, we will see the your organization of method and organization of thought. So these things are written here. And matter, general knowledge, persuading and persuading argument and rebuttal. Okay, so good debate results in, first one is cultivates leadership skill. Second one, consolidates investigation and analysis skills, and train critical listening and thinking skill. Enrich open mindset. And I'm not going to cover every topic. I'll cover it next time. And now I want to give a topic. Okay, so I think you both can have a topic and you both will be debating for 3 minutes. We have 3 minutes, so you can finish one topic on the time in this 3 minutes. So I want to give this topic like yes, yes, plastic should be banned. Yes, plastic bag should be banned entire world, and even in India as well. So one could be in the favor of this and one could be against. One could put forward their opinion in negative manner, and one could put forward their opinion in positive manner. So I'll give this topic to both of you. Please go ahead. You have 2 minute 34 seconds. Just try to finish. Shubham Binu.
Okay, Binu, so start. What would you do? Would you speak in favor of that, or you would go against that?
I will speak in favor of the topic, because really plastic should be banned, because it is creating pollution, which is not good for environment. So it should be banned, and it is not if we are using polythene and plastics, so it really it creates pollution, and it is not going to we if we are using this thing, it is not going to, I'm not getting that word, Can you help me, Shiva?
Yes, it would be not beneficial for society and for environment. Okay, were you
Yes.
telling about this?
Beneficial.
Yes, yes. And now
Hmm.
give Subham. Okay, give chance to Subham to speak on this topic negatively. Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Binu, for giving your perspective. I do appreciate your perspective, and I do genuinely feel that whatever you said is quite good, and I do respect that. But in my opinion, banning something is not going to give us a complete solution. In order to get to a certain point, we need to think in a smarter way. What we can do is we can recycle plastic rather than completely banning it. There are several other things that we can do a part of banning, and that's how we can manage that garbage, manage that plastic, and that's how we can control global warming as well, because all of us know that plastic is something that cannot be decomposed, and it remains the society, and it remains on earth as long as it is going to exist. So banning something is not going to give us a permanent solution, but rather we should go about finding a new technique. How can we recycle it, and how we can manage it in a pretty well manner? There are countries who are very much involving in this activity of managing and recycling plastic. So we can also incorporate such skills that